Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. This is Prabha from Price Action Expert. This is my second audio recording. First one I have posted already in my private channel, which is available only for the members. I have already did a few videos and I have uploaded in YouTube. You can watch that and you can subscribe that too. In this video, I'm going to show you how the price reacts and how the price moves based on the historical events. For example, I have marked few candles here which is of very historical importance. For example, this is Brexit actually. This one which I marked here. You can see here. It moved more than 2000 pips. You all know that. The second one here is actually post Brexit flash crash. It happened. And here, third one which I have marked here is election result day. US election result day. It happened. After that, price went down to make almost 2000 pips or more. Other than this, which I have marked here is these are the candles which are almost or which are more than 300 pips per day. I mean like 400 pips, 500 pips, more than that. These candles, yes, it is almost 600 pips here. So I have taken the GBP JPY pair and I have marked this. Remaining candles are actually 200, 250 pips and etc. etc. You can see all daily candles. Here is one more candle. Recent crash that happened on January first week. It's almost 550 pips. Let me mark that too. Okay. Let me show you how to trade based on these historical events. Take horizontal line and mark the opening candle of that day. Here it is. Let's see. The price actually initially dropped down after Brexit. After Brexit, it came down and it went up a little bit. After that, it dropped down, and from there, it again went up. Okay, let's see. See, this is the opening candle which I have marked. You can see exactly where the price stopped and returned, and then it dropped to almost 2500 pips. Okay, I will leave it that. Next thing what I'm going to do is I'll mark in this one. Here, it's opening candle. Okay, here. I'm placing it again, so don't want you guys to get confused. Okay, let's see. See here, the flash crash. It touches and goes up. Let's see. Place. This is the opening candle of the post Brexit crash day. Yes. Here, this is actually opening price of the election result day. Let's see. The price went up in that area exactly. Okay. Next, I'll show you here. This open price. And these actually, the pip is actually almost 400 pips. Let's see how it react. Same here. It went up. Okay, I'll take this now. Here. See almost it acted as a support and resistance here. See here. down, goes up, again down, goes up, again down, goes up, down. See how many times it retested in that area. This is the opening angle here. You can see, yes, it went up here to test the Brexit opening candle day, and from there it dropped. Okay, let's move on to USD chart. See, I already marked the bigger candles here. Here, this is the election day, which I have told you. This is some other day where pips, you have got some 330 plus pips here. This is the Brexit day. This is the opening candle which I have marked already. This is the opening candle of the election year. This is some other opening candle here. You can see the price almost done to make 600 pips or so. See here the price reaction, how it reacts. See, this is very important. This is the opening price of Brexit, and this is the opening price of that day, and this is almost there is opening price of the US election day. Let me mark it in the same color. Okay, when it touches here, this is the Brexit. Actually, the price didn't go there. Actually, it stopped here and went up. From there, it went up. See, perfectly. Again, what it does is, see, from there it drops. Flash crash. Recently happened. Flash crash. From there, it pushes up again under the stops. So many sellers and so many sales stop trending orders that trade is trying to push up, likely to go up. Okay, let me show the same in the BBC chart. So this is a Brexit day candle which I have marked there, opening candle. This is the flash crash. I've taken these two. See the opening candle and see the reaction of the price. Almost very perfect. Happened. So many retests, so many bounces, and so many zigzags. It happens exactly. See here. Not only that. See here. See. Very perfect. This is the crash recently happened, and from there it's pushing. Same thing. Actually, it didn't. The price didn't reach the opening price of Brexit. It came down actually earlier. If it touches here, we would accept a definite retracement from there. Our market will pass our range for a few days in this area, and it will decide further. See here, this is actually the 2015 January crash of CHF. It went down like 3000 pips within like 10 minutes. See, look at the opening candle which I marked here. Look at the price reaction here. Actually, when the first time it tries to touch here, but it couldn't go there, it came down almost 800 pips, and after that it pushes up and reaches the target. And look at the drop from there. Um, to make more than it went down more than the crash, almost 4000 pips. Yes, the crash is actually 3000 views. Actually, from there it went down again to 4000 views. Okay, let's move on to. You can mark. You can follow the same strategy uh, using using any time frames. I mean, use only bigger time frames. I mark daily because there is a reason. In that particular day, the price actually uh, the price actually formed, and from there all those events which have happened on that particular day. So it is of historical importance. So psychologically it works better if you there is a reason. See, you cannot change the opening price of the day. You can able to uh, the price can able to be modified or changed. For example, the high of a day or low of a day can be changed at any time. Okay, but the opening price is always fixed. The closing price also it can be changed. We do not know what will be the high of a day or low of a day, or what will be the closing price. Okay, but opening price is always fixed, and there are they use so many algorithms and so many strategies are based on opening candle only. Even what I'm teaching you now, if you follow this correctly, you can form a strategy out of this and you can trade. Okay, let me finish. After that, I will show you a few examples. Okay, next I will show you GBP CAD. I have taken 2, 3, 4 candles here. This is the opening price of Brexit. I didn't, we didn't touch here, so let's leave that. This is actually, yes, this is actually post Brexit crash. Yes, it's almost price reacted in these areas perfectly. See here, see recently how it's struggling to break that area. The price once touches it, it kept rejecting. See here, still now it's been rejecting. Okay, it is also on core area. This is one more candle here. What I marked is opening price of this. Okay, don't get confused. Opening price of this. Yes, same. This is also a bigger candle, historical bigger candle, almost 4 reps. Let's mark and see. Yes, see here. Once reaches the opening candle, it goes down. Of that price, it is very much important. Same. Same. After a long time, it touches and drops. Recently, it dropped. I have posted this actually, like 700 pips. Yes. Okay, let's move on to. Okay, we have seen the GBP CHF already. We will move on to GBP USD. This is not the bigger candles. This is Brexit actually. Here, check out. Price didn't go there, so just leave it. This is the crash opening candle. This is the opening candle of some other day. It moved up to almost 300 to 400 pips. I mark these two. See here. Importance. White lines. See here. Structures. Once in bar and it goes up. Yes. See, I have taken GBP USD. You can take any major pass or any cross pass. Okay. In this, what I have done is I have this big color, magenta color, which I have marked is the 2018. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, second half of the year. Okay. I have split it. This is June, July, August, September, October, November, and this is December. From July, August, September. This will be third quarter. If you divide a year into four, first 3 is first quarter, second 3 is second quarter, third 3 months. This will be it. Third 3 months is third quarter, and last three will be fourth quarter. This whole is a from here to here. It's actually second half of the year. Okay. Okay, I'll show you actually. I'll show you the importance of the opening candle. How perfectly it works if you form a strategy out of it, and it will be very helpful. See, before moving to before we see this, or before we move into this, we'll show you some candlestick patterns. Okay, I have already posted this in my free video. There are totally 10 candlestick patterns. Private members can access all those 10 patterns, but I will show you only first 4 patterns just to explain how this works actually. So this is the opening candle which I have marked. The price starts from here to here, and again it breaks opening candle down, and again retests the opening candle and goes up. This is type 1. At the end of the day, this is the candle you are likely to see. Okay, this type 2 is it comes down and again retests the opening candle, and it breaks, and it breaks the previous low, and it drops. It tries to break, but it couldn't. Third one is this opening candle, which can be this all these patterns 1, 2, 3, and 4. These all it can occur in any time frame. You can see, you can monthly, weekly, even in years, or any H4 and H1, even in daily 15 minutes. These patterns are likely to repeat again and again and again. You can see this in any market. I mean, any market, commodity, forex, or any other market, Indian markets, stock markets, etc., etc. The price action is same, the idea is same. Okay. In this type 3, in this type 2, actually this is the candle likely to form at the end of the day, or month, or year. In this type 3, you can see the price opening candle acts as a support and resistance. The price breaks, again retest here, goes up, again comes down, you retest, and the whole month it ranges in between these lines only, in the opening line only actually. In type 4, price, it doesn't touch the opening price. It just went on to drop, and etc. All these patterns, this can be this idea can be used opposite also. Okay, this can be a bull candle, the opposite can happen. I hope you get the idea. Okay, for example, type 4, it could be a huge bullish candle, vice versa. Okay, the price starts from here and goes up, and keeps on moving up. Okay, okay, now I will show you the chart which I have marked in GBB used to see here. Price starts now, and it comes here, it breaks and retest, and it goes down. This is happening in in 1 month actually. Okay, this is June month. Again it drops here. Yes, and it tries to go up. Previous opening candle is here. It acts as a support, acts as a resistance here in this area. Tries to break, it couldn't go. Here also it couldn't break, and it falls here. Okay, this yellow line which I have marked here, this is the second half of the year opening candle. Okay, this is the opening candle of the second half of the year, and it is very important. Okay, This is the monthly candle of, this is July, this is June, this is August. Okay, the price broke down, almost down. You have seen this pattern actually. This is type 4. Okay, yes, you can see here too. Price starts from here, breaks here, goes up, and retesting the opening candle. Price keep on going up. See, every time it reaches the previous monthly open candle, it stops and decides here too. This is the 6 months opening candle here. Again went on to touch the opening candle of June here. It tries to break up, most of the time it couldn't. Already tried 2 or 4 times here also. It tries again, but it fails and drops big actually. See, even while dropping, see the price, opening price drops, retest in the opening price, and drops again. The next month opening is one here. Since you can find the same here, price it keeps ups and downs in between the, it's in middle of the ones. See here it tries to break again, it couldn't go the 6 months of the year opening candle, it drops here. See here, retest every time, breaks, retest, and comes down and goes up again. Okay, this is over. Look at the price reactions here. This is the opening candle of the December month here. Marked here, just down, goes up, it touches, comes down again. Again it tries to break up, but couldn't, falls down the beginning of the year. Actually, this is the opening candle of, see here, of the year 2019. Okay, yes, it almost started in the same price and it finished in the same price in the December 2018. It started here, initially it had a crash here, and again it tried to push up, came down to retest here, again it went up during the result, Brexit vote result. It happened here, it dropped here, see exactly where it drops, the opening candle, and from there the price started to push up. This is the confirmation you see here. Look at the pin bar like formation. It's not a pin bar actually. See, from the opening candle it pushes up. I have mentioned this in my YouTube video. If you see that, it will be helpful for you. From there it goes up to test the previous opening candle areas. These are all previous opening areas. See here, touches drops, and it reaches the 6 month, second half of 2000. See here, this opening candle here. It tries to break so many times. It reaches here, tries again. So these are all examples how the opening candle can be used. If you mark and if you trade like this, you'll be able to be a good predictor of price movements. So will not take any opposite trades or any fake movements and get trapped in these areas. So try to combine this with my trap lines which I have already posted in a video, and it will be of very helpful. I hope this video is helpful and some means try to mark this opening price and trade accordingly. If you have any doubts, please ask me. We'll meet in the next video. This is Prabha, price action expert, signing off. See you. Take care.